So today it's all about the Onkyo Integra DX7500 CD player, and well, it was part of this complete set I bought. And look at this beautiful big VU meters from this Onkyo M504. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I make this movie because I expect the buyer coming in my house tomorrow. Yes, I had an appointment earlier with this guy, and he didn't show up, so I have time to film this movie. And as you can see in this movie, you see the complete set. Yes, the complete set. This is the beautiful equalizer, lighted. Yes, I still didn't connect the thing, don't know how to do that, but the lamps look bluish in my camera, but they are green. And the same counts for this. They are green, but they look blue through my cam. Same counts for that. They are all green. Yeah, it looks strange when you watch this movie from me. It looks like the the VU meters are green and the rest is blue lighted, but everything is green. Yeah, it's only another sort of green. That's why it shows blue on the picture. Yeah, and what I especially like is from this Onkyo EQ540. Yes, the equalizer. These beautiful bulbs, beautiful. But how it works, I don't know. The thing is missing a knob, as you can see, and well, the tuner is something else. I will make my other video will go about this tuner, but today it's all about this CD player in combination with this beautiful setup with a beautiful sound. And well, lucky for me, I found this thing in the CD player, Bob Marley's Legend Best of Bob Marley, and it was inside. It was just inside. I think I also have this CD somewhere, but oh, I think I have this CD, but it was inside, so I think, wow, what's that? Well, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. I thought it was a problem. And as you can see, this is what the CD player have. You can read it yourself. I go slowly with my camcorder. This was not a very expensive CD player. I think about $600-700 US back in 88, 89. This CD also comes with a remote control, and as you can see, this remote control is hardly used. It looks brand new. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I didn't even clean it good. I now see that it is a little bit dirty, but it is dirt, no scratches. And this is how the thing sounds. I will not use the remote control, just by hand. And this is how it sounds. Of course, first I have to play it on CD. And of course, this is Bob Marley.
this morning, smile with the rising sun. Really deserve it, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. Buffalo soldier, dread like a rasta. Who the hell you would think I am? And just a buffalo soldier. Why, yeah, yeah, yeah. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Why, yeah, yeah. Fighting for survival, driven from the mainland to the heart of the cap. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, know what life is really worth. It's a all that glitters is gold. Get up, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, what's coming on? Don't give up the fight, yeah. You darling, steer it up. Come on, baby. Come on and steer it. I said it's okay to see what we do, baby. Just need a steer it together. Let's survive. Yeah, darling, steer it up. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place? Alright. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Alright. That's the Lord, and I will the Father of creation. Yeah, yeah. One love, one of Lord, the one heart, and I will feel alright. I shall be sharing good ideas, should not get to see. Oh no, no. I shall be for the killing of my deputy, for the light, there's a captain confidence. Yeah, yeah. Jerry John Brown always taking me for
I like more the live version from this I Shot the Sheriff. Much better.
down on your line, but the waiting feeling's mine. See, I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. forwarding.
Beautiful, beautiful sound, beautiful, beautiful, and I just can't get enough to see, to watch this thing, how it is looking, all the knobs, you know. look at this tuner, all the knobs of this tuner, all the knobs of this CD player just below that, and then that beautiful equalizer. Well, as a whole, this complete set is just beautiful, just a beautiful set, and well, it's not really my thing, but I like more the vintage stuff, but well, and I think the thing gets very hot also. Very hot. I'm not sure, it's not an A class, but it gets very hot. And the thing is, I don't have the space for this complete tower. I just need a amplifier, yes, and a tuner, or better, a receiver. That's what I need. Yes, I don't need a CD player. I play my music over my mobile phone, yes, and so I don't really need. I don't spin my CDs anymore. Just for these movies, I spin them, but I don't spin them anymore. I just spin my my music player, my telephone, or my MP3 player, but I don't spin CDs anymore. That time is long gone. But yeah, if I had a CD like this, maybe I would start spinning my CDs again. But it is nice. It is nice spinning your CDs. And then I'm not sure. Well, let me test it out. Let me test it out if this thing also can spin CDRs. Yeah. Yeah, it also spins CDRs. That's nice. That's nice. Sorry, I don't think it will read MP3s, but it read CDRs, and that's nice because not all CDs read those CDRs. And well, it is just a fantastic set, a fantastic CD player. Everything from this set is just fantastic, and I'm glad I had the opportunity, yes, to play a week with the thing. I have it now for let me see, it is now Monday, 9 days in my house, and I was happy to play a little bit with the thing, and really I did a good deal buying this thing, a very good deal, and I was happy, and I don't think I will ever have the second opportunity to buy a thing like this cheap. So as long as it's here, I play with it. Yeah. Today, the whole day, the tuner spinned for me, but the tuner, that will be my next review. My next review will be the T4500 tuner. Well, this was my review from this DX7500. They also call it the R1, yes. CD player. Well, thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up if you like this video. And for now I say bye bye.